Next step is to create doors and windows for the building. Right. So I'm going to show how to create doors. Right. So what we have to do now, change the layer into doors. Right. And then this will be the entrance of the house, of a compact living space. Right. So I'm going to select the middle line here to create a door. Middle line of doors. All right. And then I'm going to offset this to 600 left and right. But this door will be about 120 millimeters open. All right, so we have this here. Okay, so the first thing, we need to cut the wall here. All right, we need to cut the wall here. What can we do? Just you change the wall layer again, press select line here and create line here. There is a red color line created here. What happens is when we are using the line thickness, right, this whole wall we will cut as one. All right, so we need to trim this bar, trim, and trim. Next step is to create the door jamb. The door jamb, the size is actually 150 times 50 mm. Right, so what can we do? Just offset this one here for about 50. This one to the outside, it's also to outside. All right. And then to create the door jamb, select rectangle here, click one corner and then bring it to another corner. Oh, sorry. First of all, change back to the door layers, right? And pick up rectangle again. Click and click. Click and click. All right, there you are. All right. So the next one is to draw the door panel. So door panel must be created from the middle, either a middle or at this line here, right? So before that, right, there is as you can see, right, if I turn off the layer door layer here, there is red color lines which is I offset at 50 just now, right, left at the back, right? So what you have to do, you can just turn off the door layer and erase this line again. Because if you leave this line there, when you print out, that red line will appear as a 0.5 pen, right? And then you have a window layer which is 0.3 pen. So those 0.3 pen will not be visible because of that 0.5 pen. Once you're done, turn off the layer again, turn on the layer again, and there you go. All right. So to create the door, the next one is that you need to create a door panel. So press line, select from the middle here, right, and press to the, yeah, we need to press to the inside, right? Press inside, okay. Right. And then the next one is to create the door swing, right? So choose the circle, same thing from the center here, and then create it to the middle. There you are. All right. So this is the door swing, right? And then this is actually a position for door panel. So we need to offset 30 for the door panel thickness, right? Offset 30. Okay, there you are. So last one, select rectangle here, click here, and bring it to the top. All right. So once you have done, press trim, click this line here, and click this line here, press spacebar, and delete or trim the outside. So there you are. So you got the door swing here. And then select again these two lines, which is actually just a guideline, and erase the line. So select a line, press E for erase and spacebar. And there you are. Okay. And then we can erase these three lines here. It's not needed anymore. It's a constraint. So to get another opening swing, just use mirror, MI for mirror, or you can use this one here, mirror as well. Right, and then select the object, press space bar, select the middle line here, right, and press and carry it down, and press, and then do not erase the source object because we need it. Okay, so no. There you are. Okay, so that's double swing doors. Okay, and then you must remember there is step of the door here. So what can you do? Change this to zero layer again. Press line and click the line and press. Right. Right. The next door that we're going to create is single swing doors. Right. So single swing doors will be located here. So it will be the same step here. What can we do? We just create, actually you can extend this line here. Right. So first thing we need to get the size of the door swing. Right. So the size, it could be about, we can actually increase this about 100, right? Offset 100 or 50 also can. Okay. It means that the door will begin here. Okay. Why we need to use this? Usually sometimes at the back of the door there is things like something that we need to hang, right? So at least there's 100 space between the wall to where the beginning of door jamb. Then we can have space there, right? Okay, so this door actually the size is 900. The width of the size is 900. So offset into 900. Click and click to the top. There you are. Right. So this will be an opening of the door. Okay. So what can we do? Once we have this, just trim this. Use trim. Right. Press space bar and trim any excess line that's needed. Even this one here. And there. So this is the opening of the door. Right. So now we can start working on the door layer again. So press line. Okay. To the right, and then press this one as well. So that's where the door can begin, and then offset by 50. One offset to down, and this one offset up. Right. So now what we need to do is to create the door jamb. So same thing with the previous door. Just select a rectangle here. Right. And create the door jamb. And erase the construction line. Okay. And then let's start to draw the door panel. First line. Okay. And straight to the left. Right. You just bring it as much as you can. Right. And then next one is create the door swing. So the door swing will begin here, and then bring it to the another end of the door. Okay. And same thing with the previous door. The next step is to create the door panel. So same thing. The door panel size usually about 30 mm, right? And offset 30. That will be the thickness of the common door size. So press rectangle and create the door panel. Once you have done, press trim, right? Click and click, and remove the excess circle line to create the door swing, right? And then delete the excess line. There you are. Right. So we have created one door here, and then this is a double door and this is a single door. And now we're going to create another door for the bedroom here. So what can we do? We can just mirror this door here to the next one. Just press mirror. Press spacebar and then click the middle line here, anywhere middle here, right? And then bring it to the left. Click and make sure do not erase the object. So press N for no. There you are, right? So what I can do now here, we need to trim the line here, right? So change the layer into what can you actually, we can just use trim to select the boundary, right? Just select the line there, click and select the window here, because there is actually a red line, right, created here, which is same thing that already existed here. So we can just use that line, right, to trim the object. Okay, then press space bar and trim. And there you go. Right. Okay, how about the door here? We still have door in it. So what can we do? We can just use the same door here, but this time we can just use a copy command. This, right, and click here. All right, and we can just click. I'm just going to put anywhere here. So I'm going to use a comma, special command here, NEA for nearest. Press and click there, and press spacebar. Right. So this is a nearest command. Right. If you look here, click. Right. It is here, nearest. Where is it? There you are. So the short form for nearest is NEA. Right. So nearest enable us to select the line, right, and put it anywhere that we need, right, without attaching either to end line, middle line, or center line, right. So once we have this, press mirror again, MI for mirror, or you can pick up here, press space bar, right, then select the object, okay, press space bar again, look for the middle line, which is here. This is a middle line, right? Okay, click and bring it down and click. So this time I want to erase the source of object, so I just press S here. There you go. Right, once you have this, same thing, you need to trim the middle line here. So select the red color in the middle. Okay, select by zoom windows, press space bar and trim. And there you go. Right. So this is a living room, this is a bedroom, this is kitchen, and this is the toilet. All right. Okay, we have completed a wall, doors, right? Double swing doors, single swing doors. The next task is to create windows. All right. I think windows could be a bit complicated than doors, but once we have one, then we can copy to the rest as well. All right. So I'm going to create a 3 tiers window here. Right. So to start, right, first I need to change the layer to windows. Same thing with the line colors, yellow colors. Right, and then I press line and I try to get the middle line of the interior wall. Right. Why this is important is because if we take the middle line here, it means that the window will be set up nicely in the middle of the space of the wall here. Right. So I'm just going to use about two tiers window. I'm going to use a 2 tiers window, much easier. Okay, so I'm going to offset this window here to 900 to the top and to the bottom. And then once I have that, I'm going to create a window jam here, right? So I'm going to offset. So the size is 50, right? So I'm going to offset 25. This bar, 25, this bar, at the top and 25 to the bottom, right? So we're supposed to have 3 window jam here, but I'm going to create only 1 here, right? And then I'm going to pick up the rectangle here as a window jam, seeing it like with the door just now. Click, right? When I've done, erase this, line top, and then line bottom. There you are. So once I have this, I'm going to copy all this, right? The next line. The next step is to create an opening on the walls, right? Create opening on the walls. So I'm going to change this layer into walls. Press line. There's one there. Press line again. All right, there you are. So I've created the red color here. So I'm gonna trim the interior wall here. So I'm going to select trim, trim, press space bar. So the boundary line, I'm going to select again the red color here. 1 and 2. Press space bar, and there you are. Okay. And I'm going to erase this. I'm going to do that. Right. So we have this a window, right? Change this back to windows. So I'm going to create the wall line with white colors because white colors represent 0.2 pan. On the plan where we cut the walls, right? A red color is a bricks, right? But when it comes to the window, these 2 lines here, right? It cannot be red colors because it is cut. It's an opening window. So press line here, click, and create another line here. So these 2 lines here, we need to select this and change into white colors, right? So select this line here, right? And you have by layer here, change this into white. Again, I repeat, white is white because white is 0.2 pan, right? So this window jam here is 0.3 pan. Same thing with this one here, right? So we have this here. So the next task is to draw the window panel. So window panel thickness somehow is almost similar with door panel, which is about 30. So I'm going to offset 15, right? Okay. Set to the left, offset to the right. And then select the line again, change into window layers, right? So this one here, trimming, okay. Trim, 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 right? So this is a trim again, space bar, trim and trim. This one here, so trim again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there you are, right? So this is windows, created windows. So the layer is actually yellow. However, it is the left and right outside here must be white colors or 0.2 pan. All right. Once we have this, the rest what we can do, we just copy this, right? So press copy, press space bar. Right. So the where we're gonna apply the insertion point is actually we're gonna take the middle line here again. Click the middle line of the windows and bring it to the middle line of this wall. right? Spacebar. And then I'm going to apply another window here as well, right? So I'm going to copy this. In the line of this windows, bring it to the middle line here, right? There you go. Boom. Okay. And then don't forget the wall layer must be trimmed. So press trim. Select the red colors that inside here. Press spacebar and trim the line. Alright, we cannot trim the line at the moment. What can we do? To trim the line here, we need to turn off the window layers. Alright. Window layers. Alright. So now we can do the trimming. Trim and trim. Press spacebar. And back to the layer again. And on the layer again. Okay. So now we have a living room. We have bedrooms, kitchen, and toilet. Right. So before we continue, we need to create another doors, which is to outside here as well. So I'm going to copy this last door here. This I'm going to click here, right? And then this door, what I'm going to do, I'm going to rotate this door again, right? Yes. Then turn it to 90 degrees, and then I'm going to trim the middle as well. Trim. Press the Alt for trim. Right. Set the boundary line, right? Then press spacebar and trim the line here. That's it.